Something big. Some red and gold Senkos. Alright, what's going on everyone? Snagging here, and today me and Matt heading out in the boat. I'm gonna go find some big fish. That's the plan at least. Calm morning, very good on the water so far, and I think it's gonna be a good day, so I'm gonna keep the intro short and get right to the action for you. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. I didn't realize I had one, man. I cast it over near the dock. I just started moving and my line's on the other side. Wanna net him? Not bad.
Oh. You're dripping blood.
Oh. Red and gold Senkos. But I went with my neighbor and we were just like sort of catching fish. You got one, bud? Stay down. That's a nice one, bud. That's a largie. There we go. Beauty. Beautiful. Oh. Oh. Got him right in the, it's a perfect hook set, bud.
Yeah.
Here, just grab the hook with the pliers, that way you don't fuck yourself. Get this in there. Beautiful. Little largemouth, not bad. Guys, so we're just gonna fish this marina a bit, fish the docks around here and see what's all about here. Heard good things, but never fished up here yet, so we'll see. Get the net. Yeah. Something big.
Oh, oh!
Don't hit him in the face. Don't watch my line, don't hit my line. Holy mackerel, man. Don't jump. Don't jump. This thing's huge.
Oh my god.
Giant smallmouth.
Is it?
Yeah. Holy cow. Get ready.
You can get anything in this lake.
Holy. Oh. 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 That's definitely the biggest one I've caught here.
Yeah?
There you go.
Get the hook out of him.
Oh wow.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Damn.
Huh. Oh. Get a weight on.
That was a big fight.
That is, get a picture of that.
Yeah. Here, bud. You know what to do, take a bunch. Beautiful.
How do I get to the...
4 pounds. Not bad. Not bad.
There we go. That's a crazy one.
Let's go. Wow. It's a good fish. Can you see that? Hey? You see how it's shaking? Oh, little smallie on the jerk bait. Let's go, bud.
Shaking, boy.
Here, you need the pliers for those kind of baits.
Just grab it only with the pliers.
Huh?
Grab it only with the pliers.
Yeah. Never been up here before, guys. We're in for starts, you guys. Holy shallow. Missed one here on the spinner, you guys see it come back. Come back, buddy. Oh. Something's chasing it over there. All right, guys, so we're just fishing this weed line here. I've been sort of dotting around all day. I'm gonna finish off with this weed line, just throwing a Texas rigged Red Senko. Just gonna chuck her in here and see what we can find. All right, what's going on, you guys? Snagging back, and I hope you enjoyed that quick little fish there. Bounced around spots all day pretty well. Headed up to the big lake. Haven't went up there yet. Pretty cool. Didn't catch any fish up there, but oh, got one hell of a smallie, as you guys probably seen. I think that's my PB for this lake, 4-pounder. Nice little football, you know. Can't go wrong. Made my day. Got the blood flowing. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing some more challenges. I'm going to be dragging the kayak around some inner city spots there in the next few videos. That's the plan, at least. Me and Annika are going to go to Dow's Lake. Hit Dow's Lake with some kayaks, see what we can do. I've been seeing guys doing damage online. Quite a few big bass, big pike. So I'm going to go and take my chance, see what I can do. And until then, keep watching some old videos. Leave a thumbs up. And if you stayed the whole way, a comment down below, Snagging Squad. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.